In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. Genesis 1:1. This verse reflects the Garden of Eden, a world of perfect harmony where humanity first walked with God in innocence. The Lord saw how great the wickedness of the human race had become on the earth. Genesis 6:5. This describes the world before the flood, a time of moral decline and separation from God. As long as the earth endures, seed time and harvest, cold and heat, summer and winter, day and night will never cease. Genesis 8:22. After the flood, God renews his covenant with humanity, promising stability despite human imperfection. And I saw a new heaven and a new earth. Revelation 21:1. Finally, this verse points to the heavenly kingdom, where God's ultimate plan for restoration and eternal life is fulfilled.